Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to download Rec Room on your Android. First of all, launch open Google Play Store on your Android device to get started. Go to the search icon at the bottom and tap on it. And now in the search bar at the top type in Rec Room. From the search result, look for this application that says Rec Room Play with Friends and tap on Install. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take several minutes depending upon your internet speed. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection. Soon after you do that, you will be able to download the app, tap on Play to launch open the app on your Android. Now you can go ahead and sign in with your existing Rec Room account or create a new one. And that's how you can easily download and install Rec Room on your Android in just a couple of steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.